Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video we will learn how to add Active Directory group as a local administrators on required servers or workstations. It is very good idea if you want to give some permission to some Bintel person, any other person who is managing that particular server, and you want to give admin rights or some other rights to the particular group. Then you can use this solution instead of providing or adding users manually by logging to each and every computer. That can be very lengthy task. So you can use the same procedure for providing access to service desk team or any other team depending on the requirement how you are going to manage or who should have access to the particular computer or workstation. So I will only use this solution for single computer, but you can increase the scope of your computer or group policy. That will be easy. So now you can see here, this is the local administrator account that has been created on this computer, and this is added automatically while adding this computer in the domain. And every user who is the member of domain admins group that will be having admin rights on this computer. I added these two groups manually on this computer, and every user who is a part of this and this group is also having admin access on this computer. I added these two deliberately to understand or verify that the solution that we are going to provide here, it will not touch the existing membership of any group and any user. So we can add one more user here. Username will be Alan. Now I need to type the password. Rahul is a domain admin, so he should be having access to add the users in this group. So I have added this here. Now we will go to the domain controller. So this is my domain controller. Before I need to apply group policy, I need to know what is the location of my computer. My computer name is, I know this is my computer, and if you do not know the location where your computer is, no problem. You can just come here, select advanced, select this one, computer, and this one. Go to object, and you can see the location of your computer. And you can also come here, get-ad computer. So if you are having 1000 computers for this group policy, make sure any common location for all the computers. So as I said, if you are having 1000 computers, you need to find out any common location or locations so that you can link your group policy there. But I'm only having single, so no worries. So I'm fine with that. So Kanda, Pune, sales and computer is the location of my work server. So now I can reach. You can type gpmc.msc. So you can come here and create the group policy new, or you know where your computer is. You can go directly there and you can just create your group policy. Create GPU and link here. We will see. You should give any meaningful name. GPU. I will say this GPU underscore add local admin. You can use any other meaningful name as per your company standard. So I'm here. So I have only computer in this location. So there is no matter what I am selecting here, authenticated users or domain computers, or I'm adding that computer here. So it will work for me. If I have multiple computers there under this sales computers OU, and I want to apply this group policy to some set of computers, then I need to think how can I go, whether I need to add those computers manually or create one group and add all the computers in that group and add there. So just for avoid confusion, I'm just removing this and I will add a single computer depending on the requirement how you want to do. Now I will come here, policies, Windows setting, security settings, restricted group, and here you can just select add. Here I need to select my group that I want to add as a local administrator on particular servers or computers. So I decided to add this. This group has been created in Active Directory. Once you click this, please remember here, do not touch this option, members of this group. Otherwise, whatever you added locally, whatever was there earlier, those will be removed. So be specific. This group is a member of. Here you can type administrators. MINISTRATORS. You can check name and OK, OK, apply, OK. Again, we can see our settings by reaching here. So this is the group. G server admin will be added as a member under the administrators group for this computer. And if you want to apply this group policy to only server, so you can just select the WMI filtering. WMI filters are not available. Those should be created and added particular parameters that you want to use for. I have created another video how to create WMI filter and use that. So this is about only to add. So let's move. If you have multiple domain controllers, then you need to wait for the application. It is loading. We can wait for some time. We will move to the server now and see if something has happened. See, my account has been added in this. Sorry, my group has been added as a local administrator in the server. So if you add anyone, suppose dsa.msc, you create any user. Suppose we are saying, okay, Sundar. We will add Sundar in this group. G underscore server. Now we will try to log in with Sundar IDs. And we can verify that Sundar is having admin rights as well, right? So that's all for this video. If you learned something new, kindly like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.